Hey guys, Jay Hatch here, your sales and leasing consultant at Whitby Mazda. Just walked through the drive-through bay here. Saw a couple of Soul Crystal Red Mazdas. We got a 19 Mazda 3 Sport hatchback and a 19 CX-5. Looks like a GS. Now this Soul Crystal Red paint, in order to get this very, very reflective paints that they've created here just at Mazda, to get that deep lustrous color, it actually changes as you walk around. It really plays with the environment. That's what they were looking for, to get that vibrant red. They actually created this paint differently than they have with the other manufacturers who are doing with their paint. Now, if I hold it closely here, you can see the little crystals. Some are dark, some are bright, and that's what gives it that amazing, almost like a texture. So what they did was normally with the paint, they would have a black base coat, and then they would paint the red over that and then apply the clear coat. But what Mazda did was they have actually little crystals in there, little flecks that are light reflective, so when the light hits it, it bounces off, and that's where you get the bright colors in there. They've also got light absorbing crystal flakes, and that sucks in the light, and that's what gives it the darkness. So they actually build it quite differently. It's our premium paint. I would say it's our signature paint. People absolutely go nuts over it. It's a little bit softer, more delicate paint. It's fantastic. And let's do a quick walk around here. You've probably seen them on the road. There's nothing like seeing them sitting here in the showroom, or even just this one here that's in our drive-through. It looks phenomenal, just the way it, there's no other red out there like this. Anyways, thought I'd do a quick video if you're thinking about getting the Soul Red Metallic Crystal Paint. Can't really go wrong with it. Any questions, give me a shout. Jay Hatch or Whitby Mazda. You can call me or text me, 905-391-1637. You can email me, jhatch@whitbymazda.com. Thanks so much, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Give me a shout with any questions. Hope to see you here. And remember, you deserve excellent service. Zoom, baby.